So right now, this is a different type of job that we're doing on Bungie. It looks like a TaskRabbit type job where they call us out to go check the display case because it's whoever assembled it. The light's not working. So basically, they're paying us $71 to go in and see why the light's not working. So I'm going to go walk in there, check it out, make sure the outlet's good. See if the connection is good. Sometimes you just unplug it and then plug it in. I had that one time where we delivered a display case and it wouldn't light up, and all I did was unplug it and plug it back in. So hopefully that's the case here. We'll see. 7 Vision Center. This is so crazy. So I'm out here getting my tools. It's definitely a connection issue. Power outlets are working, they're getting power, so let's see what we got. And these off. Alright, so we took the cover off. So after further review, the power supply and the power outlet are both getting power. The LED, 90% of the time is an LED, and LED is majority of the time gonna work. The only other possibility, which we took the paneling off and checked, had to be the switch. It's getting power, all the other power outlets work, the fuses are all connected, everything works, it's reading current all over the place. The only place that we can't check is the switch. I tell the customer, hey, I apologize. What we're gonna do is we're gonna replace the Maui gym unit as a whole, and we'll bring them a new one, we'll assemble it, we'll put it back together, and then we'll take the old one away, bring it back to the warehouse. And that's what we're doing for right now. She said that was fine, everything was gonna be okay. Thank you for coming out, and that job is done. Right now we are headed to the tile shop because I got a tile shop order, and we're on our way. Yeah, I got one at 12. It's always the best when you have pre-scheduled orders, because it's like you don't have to hustle and bustle and, you know, keep your eye on your phone majority of the time. I already know what I got to do today. I got 2 more tile shop orders after this, and hopefully pick up, you know, a Sam's order, or maybe a Sam's and a Walmart. Trying to push for 3, see if we get it. Right now we're at 95 and 70. You know what I mean? Like I said, we're trying to hit 300. Think we can do it? What do you think? So we just knocked that pallet out. About to go pick up another pallet from Tile Shop, and we're just getting started. Let's go. So initially I had 2 pickups. I just left the second location, and I think there was a mix-up. One of the drivers was given one of the orders that I was supposed to pick up. So whatever customer got the wrong tile. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop this one off, and then double back and see if they have the if the other driver was able to bring back the other tile. So we'll see. There. All right, have a good one. Thank you. Back to the tile shop, and picked up another order for 5 p.m. for $90. So 300 is looking pretty doable. So change of plan. I just called the tile shop, and that order is not ready for pickup just yet. So in the meantime, we just picked up another order for $42. We're gonna go pick that up and drop it off. It's bringing me in the direction of the tile shop, so this works out perfect. While we're waiting, everything's good, timing is great. just got the quick pickup, some flashing. We're gonna bring that to the job site.
Use the left 2 lanes to keep left to merge onto I-25 south toward Colorado Springs.
In traffic, and we're gonna go pick up that tile shop order that's waiting for us. Oh yeah. I called the customer. They gave me the wrong address. Happens all the time. I got the updated address. I gotta drop this off. That's one thing about doing what I do is sometimes it's like a wild goose chase. Finding addresses, houses, drop locations. So luckily, they sent a picture that looks like this. I don't know if you can see it, but I don't know. It looks like it. So let's get it unloaded. We here. It's raining now, unfortunately. But we got it strapped up, locked in. A little light rain. You know what I mean? I'm not really tripping on the rain. It's so hot out here. Cool things off, you know? But we off. Let's go drop this one off. Alright, so we're gonna take this and move it over here. Whew. Let's get busy. 100. That one didn't make it. Ooh, and I got this last order, but I'll tell you, if you think this job is easy by any means, this was about 4,000 pounds worth of tile that I moved today. And
at the stop sign, turn left onto Iowa Street.
Physical work, harder on your back, harder on your arms, shoulders, legs, traps, core. It's not easy work. We got one more left. And Sam's Club pickup, we're on our way. Another burner.
Just try to run away from me.
Alright y'all, so on today's ride along, you got to see a typical day, a typical busy day. It's not always busy like this, but you got to see what it's like, man. I mean, some jobs are easy, some jobs are hard, some jobs give you the runaround, but I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the content, drop a thumbs up if you like what I'm doing. Just trying to get my channel built back up. Like I said, through all the personal things I've been going through in my life, I already told you guys. I don't need to explain it again. But this is how much we made. This is how much gas we spent. Once again, it's your boy St. Mike 504, Holy Roller, DMG, and God we trust. And Jesus is a must. We out. About to preach right now. About to teach right